Hi there, welcome back to the part 4 of complete mobile app development tutorial series using Flutter for beginners. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to style a Flutter app by using different techniques and styling properties. So if you haven't watched the previous video tutorial of this series, then you can find the link to the complete playlist in the description below. So without a further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So guys, in the last video tutorial in the part 03, we learned some of the techniques to change the color scheme, color styles and alignments of our widgets. So before moving forward, remember there is one popular saying about Flutter app that in Flutter, you don't think that its styling works like HTML or CSS properties. Like whatever you use in concept in HTML and CSS of using the containers, the block containers, the inline containers, that concept is not anymore working with Flutter app styling. So you have to throw out that type of styling in your styling concept from your mind and start focusing on learning styling, how to apply styling and organizing widgets on the screen using Flutter specific styling options. So in the last video tutorial, we see that some of the widgets have color properties, some widgets have background color properties, some does not have colors or background color properties. And the same like that, some of the widgets like column, row have made axis alignment, cross axis alignment properties to organize those widgets. Then we have a flex property, flex widget. Then we have a expanded widget. There are lots of widgets which you can see on the Google Flutter official website by going into widgets section. There are lots of widgets, but we are talking about here basic widgets which I have explained in the last video tutorial, including that material app and app bar, and then which use scaffold, then which you see text, image, and also we see columns, rows, and some other useful basic widgets to organize or create a standard Flutter app. So today what we are going to see that how can we organize text-based widgets. For example, we have a text widget here on the screen, you can see here, which is showing this is first text and this is a second text. So now all of the styling can be done using the themes, built-in theme structure of your Flutter app, and your built-in theme structure provide you two different kinds of very popular themes. One is called the light theme and one is called the dark theme. So the default one is a light theme, but you can change it to the dark theme very easily. For that, what you need to do is going into your material app widget and simply add a theme property. This theme property requires a theme data widget. So I will add a theme data widget here. And this theme data widget contains all of the properties which can be applied directly to the most famous widgets plus some default settings for your Flutter app. For example, if I want to apply a dark theme, currently we are working on a light theme. So simply what I need to do is here is change the brightness property and make it brightness dot dark. Simple. After that, when I run this app, it will be changed to the dark theme. So now you see some of the text, this one is white, this one is yellow, because I have overridden this color property. So let me remove them so that you can understand them better. So I removed it from here as well as I removed it from here. And now if, sorry, not reset, but format it. So now when I run it, it will change it to the default dark theme. So there are two popular themes, dark theme and a light theme for every Flutter app, and this is a standard way nowadays in different web apps and mobile apps. So if your client required a dark theme, simply do that. Further, let me show you that how can we use this text, or how can we change the styling for this text. So for that, there are also two ways here. In this theme, we have a text theme property. This text theme property have a text theme widget applied to it, and this text theme widget contain different kinds of properties. Like if I press control space, there are some body 1, body 2, body text 1. So there are lots of properties. You see title, subtitle, subheading, display, caption, button, etc. and etc. So you can change your text theme by using this. So this standard text widget contain body text 2, body text 2 property. So whatever text style widget you apply to this body text 2, it will be applied to all the text properties used inside your Flutter app. So this text style I can apply, like if I want to change the font size, I will use font size like this, font with written with the small letters, and then every consecutive letter will have a capital first letter. So font size is, how can we change? Just simply by providing is a double notation of floating number. Whatever point you want to give, you can give. So font size, if I do 22.0, it will be applied to the both. And if I change the color, like I will say colors dot red accent or any color you want, and then I run it, it will be applied to the both of these widgets. So now whatever text widget you will add, so let me add another text widget. This is third text, and when I run it, you will see this text will also get the same styling which I have applied here. So body text too. So whatever style you will apply here, it will be applied to that text properties. But if you want to override this style, you can simply use a style property on individual widgets and apply text style to it. And here you can change the colors white. So what this will do, this will override this color red accent and apply the color white to it. So when I will run it, you see it changes it to the white color. So this is how you can apply different kinds of styling, either using a theme. If you want the complete list and their properties and their certain values, like this brightness have a brightness widget, this text theme has a text theme, same like that. We have some other color properties, like if I want to change app bar, so here we will have an app bar theme as well. So app bar theme will use app bar theme widget to it. And then this app bar widget does have an action icon theme, what kind of icon theme you want to use, what brightness you want to use. So let me, sorry again, brightness dot light. So if I now format it and run it, you will see that this brightness dot light didn't work because it is not overriding this default brightness dot dark. So you cannot use brightness dot light unless you are using a custom brightness dot settings here, brightness settings here. So we cannot change brightness, right? No problem. We can press like text theme and like icon theme. Let me change the text theme. So inside text theme, again, I need to apply text theme widget to it. And inside text theme widget, there are many options. So this title have a title widget, this one which is deprecated from 2014. So you can replace it with the headline 6. So headline 6 will have a text style, same like what we have used in the text, because this title is using a text widget. So that's why we can apply text style to it. Now further we can change its colors, like if I want to change the color to lime accent, I can do that here. So now I have to change its color to the lime accent, and now it goes to the default headline 6, and now I can increase its font size as well, like I want to increase it 18.0, and it will be changed to 18. And then there is another property, background color. So background color will again use colors dot blue. Let me see, blue accent. Let's see if it is applied to it. So I will run it, and you see there is blue color applied to the Flutter welcome over Flutter app as well. So this is how you can apply different styling on your widgets. So guys, in the next video tutorial, we will see that how can we organize our widgets properly onto the screen of our mobile app, so that we can assign proper padding, margin, colors, background colors, width and height properly, and create a fully working mobile app demo. So in the next video's tutorial, we are going to create a mobile app demo where we will use all these basic styling themes which we have learned in part 3 of this video tutorial series. So if you haven't watched that video tutorial, please go and watch that video tutorial so that you can understand what are the basic basic widgets inside Flutter app, which we will use to create a basic layout, controlled layout of your Flutter app. There are some advanced widgets as well, which we will see later in this upcoming video tutorial. So for the time being, this is it. This is our video tutorial for today. So guys, this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial till the end. I'm sure if you liked this video tutorial, then you have already pressed the like button. And if you are also interested to learn more about Flutter, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel by pressing the red button below. With that being said, I'm your host on TechTechTuts, signing off. Take care and goodbye.